Welcome everybody to Stuff Joker, and today we are going to be playing some good old BeamNG. Now, this is a game that I have looked up to since 2015, I want to say. It's a game that I've always wanted to play, but never had the chance to, because didn't have the money to actually get a PC to play it, but now that I've got a PC, I've played a little bit off camera. I say not a lot, but honestly quite a bit. But today's video we are going to be checking out a mod that I found very interesting that I didn't know till just now. I'm like not kidding, like 30 minutes ago probably. Um, but it's really nice. If you know me, you know I'm into racing. I love going to races with my grandpa and all that. So this really fits me just right. But without further ado, let's get the first car out here. Anyway, this is the first car on the list. Looking pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a big fan of old muscle looking cars, old style drag vehicles. My grandpa's got a few cars of his own. He used to go drag racing all the time with his brother that also had a little pickup. Um, Oh my god, this looks so good, like so professionally made and all that. Like, see if we can look at the motor. Okay, maybe not. Well, okay, we'll do that later, I guess. But yeah, let's look at this. Is such a good vehicle, like, from the looks of it, anyway. You know, I'm working on the mechanics of the game a little bit. I haven't really messed with them a whole lot till a while ago, but yeah, so. Let's go. Let's get right into. Let's see what this sounds like. Honestly, not bad. Rev a little bit. This is really nice. Let's take it for a spin real quick. And let's get straightened up a little bit. I currently do not have a race map to try the actual takeoff of this vehicle, but I will be getting one. And then we'll try these out again once I get a proper map. But for now, we're just use a little straight way. It wasn't really straight, but there's a little straight part of the road just for like quick takeoff in this one, and then we'll check out the next one. Well, that was a little, not gonna lie, not a little bit disappointing. Maybe you actually have to do something with the block. Maybe hold on, let me see if I can put a better block into it. Okay, see, engine block. Okay, well, it's this stock long block, which isn't bad. But let's try the, oh, well, let's try the performance block first. And then if that doesn't work, we'll come back and throw on the better one. Okay, it's doing pretty good actually. Slow down. Oh, slow down. Stop. Okay, cool. Okay, so the performance block does do well. Okay, not bad so far. I'm liking this one. Oh, that's one more thing we have even gotta try. Let's see the crash physics for this vehicle. Okay, get up to speed. We're gonna go straight into this little wall at a little bit of an angle. Okay. Let's tip this over real quick. Okay, so chances of survival. I don't think I don't think you're surviving that. Let's see. Oh yeah, no, this ain't really I don't think you're living after this, but look at that motor. That looks so good. Only thing I would change would I would paint this to match the car color scheme or whatever you got going on. But that's not looking too bad. So I guess let's go ahead and check out the next one, because this one has high potential for the rest of them. Anyway. Okay. What the heck? Okay, now I pulled up the truck. This looks a little odd. Is this 4-wheel drive? Oh my god, it is. This thing is going to move. Oh my god. In case y'all don't know, I've got a 2006 Chevy at the moment, but my first truck, it was pretty much this exact thing, except it was white and kind of beat up. I will throw a picture on screen right by here, right above it. Yeah, this truck here was my baby until one fatal day this happened. And yeah, I've missed her ever since, so this is probably the closest I can get to what I wanted it to be without having it still. But anyway, enough of that sad stories. Let's see how this thing takes off and performs. I'm assuming it's going to do very well because one is 4-wheel drive. Look at that. You can see the detail with each little. That's cool. 3, 2, 1. Not too bad. I mean, I'm sure, again, it would do better on an actual racetrack. But I don't have one, so... Oh my god. This one did better, I will say that. It did do better. Not horrible, though. I think I'm gonna leave the crashes here, just so we can run into them again, maybe. But yeah, not too bad. I mean, survivability, I would say 80%. Unless you get thrown out the door, because there's not a harness in there, from the looks of it. So, not bad. Pretty sturdy. Let's go ahead and check out the next one. Okay, so I was just wanting to check to see if there was a regular drag version of it, and there was. Now let's go ahead and check out this real quick. This is what I would have actually done. Made it a 2-wheel drive, yeah, with a skinny tire up front. This looks really. Oh my god, they all sound really, really good, which I'm honestly very impressed. I mean, it doesn't sound like the best replica of a drag car, but it's BMG. It's not meant to. Look at that backfire. Oh my gosh. It's not meant to be perfect, so. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so pretty much the same takeoff as the 4-wheel drive truck, which ain't bad in any way. Ooh, look at that. Actually, let's try this again. Let's see if it's got the good block on it. Okay, so at the moment it's got the ultra heavy duty long block, but we want the performance stage 3 block. And hopefully that'll make it a tad bit faster. It's got the best supercharger on it, which is cool. 4 speed. Okay, yeah, let's try this again. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, y'all hear that whine up before? Not bad. This is way faster. Wait a minute, did it blow up right before it hit the wall? I think it did. Let's try that one more time. Watch it. Oh yeah, over torque risk. Not good. Not good. Yep, it blew right before it hit the wall. But not a bad crash though. Not a bad crash. Pretty good. God, yeah, no, survivability, this one. almost pretty much zero. The chances of you surviving, very slim. Okay, not doing too bad, I will say that, for the race cars. Okay, let's go and get another one real quick. Okay, as you see, we went with the classic Moonhawk. What's it? I don't know why when you spawn it in, it doesn't come with the blower up top. But let's go and see if we can fix this real quick. The engine block. We'll go ahead and upgrade it to the performance block. Intake 2-barrel carburetor. We've got to change it to the stage 4 blower or supercharger. My bad. Anything else? The exhaust. Let's get rid of that. Actually, that might sound better. Exhaust tubular headers. Ooh. What does that look like? That sounds even better than before. That does sound really good. Let's see. I think that's it. As far as performance parts, anyway. Look! Oh my god, this sounds so good. I hope y'all can hear me during this commentary. Oh my god, it's loud. Okay, without further ado, let's do the quick drag strip down to the wall and see how it crashes. Okay, stuck on the one gear forever, it seems like. It's still the motor is still running. Surprisingly, not well, but it's still running. God, look at that. That is, oh, that is insane. Oh my god. I would hate to be in this little accident here. Wow, that would hurt. Jesus Christ. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's just go ahead and reset it here. Let's go ahead and pop the hood on this bad boy. Let's go ahead and let's just check it out. Or does it have one? Does it not have a latch? I mean, I don't know why it would. It's a race car. There's not even a handle there, but okay. Look at that. Let's try and pop this hood open real quick. Okay, I might have had to rip it off, but it's okay. Oh. Where'd it go? Oh my god, it's way up there. Wow. Oh, too fast. Huh. The fact that it flew from here, or from there to here, that's insane. Insane, but anyways, look at his motors. Not looking too bad. Definitely isn't anything spectacular because, well, because textures aren't the best, but this mod is a year old, so I mean, back then it's not bad. Pretty good, actually. All these hoses look pretty good. Not the best, again, but still looks fairly decent. Battery cables look not too bad. Pretty good. Oh yeah, I would love to own this car in real life. Except for, oh wait a minute, I just noticed that it has nitrous. What? No way. Whoa. Oh, we gotta try this. only made a difference, really. Oh. Wow, the frame is twisted. The frame. And you got no, it's stuck. Jeez, well, Pete. Oh, there's my tire. Oh. Okay, well. Okay, that's enough of that one. Let's go check out the other one. I'll let y'all join me on this one. I think it was. Which one? I know it was. I think ETK. Was it this one? I think it was. Okay, so place this one. And wow, okay, the texture's gone, but I mean, this looks pretty good. The inside though doesn't. This is good on the inside. Not doing it, not too bad. The shifter looks pretty good. Not, I mean, I don't know why you would have this all in a race car, but because you got no back seat, you don't got a passenger seat. You got a bucket seat from somewhere. Racing steering wheel. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay, let's get out of there. Wow, this is such a quiet. Wait, does the exhaust run all the way back? It does. Okay, so it's got some get up and go. Okay, let's go ahead and try this. Try this out stock at the moment. And see whether or not it performs good enough to leave here. Okay, I was a little slow off the line. It don't feel like a race car whatsoever. But I mean, I would still drive this daily. I know this is just like a pretty stock vehicle performance. Oh, somehow the hazards came on. I don't know how that happened, but oh well. Okay, let's go. Let's look at the engine, see if we can upgrade it. Well, I'm at the engine. Engine mount. Let's see. Long block. Huh? Weird. Let's try the TTS or TT Sport block. And that looks like it's about it, really. It's done too not much about it, really, honestly. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, well this one could still use some work. Like, I don't know if he still makes the mods, makes mods anymore. But this one could definitely do some work. Or you use some work. Because honestly, it's quite... I'm sorry, I'm not being at all disrespectful or anything, giving my honest opinion. It's a little bit slow if I had to, be honest about it. Let's try this one. Do we see it? I don't see it. Oh. I see it. Let's go with a green for this one. And that's not green. Okay, well I guess this is stock default, I guess. Okay, not too bad. I like how you can see the pedals moving in this game, and the steering wheel, all that. Dude. Okay, that doesn't move, but it's fine. Anyway, let's get to racing and seeing how this thing performs. Okay, a little bit harder seems to control. Wow, this one has definitely won the most destructive crash so far. Because the body is literally gone. It's right there. Odd, but okay. This is, honestly, this is the only car that I know of that the body tears so easily across off the frame. That, I think, is the Barstow. I think it also does that too. Like, wow. Like, it's ridiculous how easy it is to do. But, Jesus Christ. Let's do it one more time with this one. See if we get the same result. Oh, well, okay, well, we hit something else, but... I think we might be dead. Wow, hold on. Whoa, the camera is so messed up. Okay, where the motor? You see, this is the oil pan, and then right here, here's the the supercharger right here. Wow, that was a crash, and yeah, you're not surviving that unless somehow you did get lucky and it did push you back. But even then, I think you would still be seriously hurt. I'd give that a solid 90% chance of crashing. Okay, speaking of Barstow, let's go look at the Barstow, see if it's got one or not. Oh wait, no, this is the original one. Never mind, I forgot. And there's two, I guess. In this one, there's a drag one, and there's a street drag. I haven't really driven this one yet. I don't think. You know, no, not even not before recording. Let's see, let's go and replace this one. Okay, so it's got some slicks. Interior still stripped. Does this one? Oh, it does. Still has that. Okay. So that's got a little bit of a supercharger on it, but not too much though. Huh. Go ahead and close that. Close you. Put in neutral, and let's rev this a little bit. Where's the exhaust at? Does it not have an exhaust? Oh, it does. It's just really. Oh. Whoops. It does have an exhaust. It's just really short. Okay, let's replace it because I saw the perimeter getting destroyed. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, doing so good. I don't know if the motor's gonna last as long though, but will it break? It didn't break. It did not break. We're still run. Wow. Oh. Okay, we're struggling to stay on apparently. Okay, yeah, no, never mind. It's not. It's running, but it's not moving. So yeah, it's dead. Not too bad, not the fastest thing, but it's better than that ETK or EKT or whatever it was. Definitely better than that. Definitely went faster. I'm actually gonna try it one more time from a standstill. 3, 2, 1. I mean, maybe it's not faster, but I mean, maybe it's a little bit faster than, not much though, but it does sound better than. It does sound better than the ETK sounded. That having the exhaust on did not help it at all. Not. Wait, is it run? It runs, but it's stuck in park. Weird. Only car that's run but not run. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. Let's go check out some. I don't know how many more is left actually. I have to go back and like look at which ones are here, which ones aren't not. Maybe the Romer's got one. It does. Okay, I thought I saw someone using this. Not too bad. And there's also, I believe, a front-wheel drive car. Wow, this. Oh, what? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This don't belong there. We'll just connect that there. That way. Oh, well, that didn't help, did it? Okay, let's give it a rev it. Got the NOS bottle glitching through the floor in the back right there. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. No, I can hear this turbo winding up a little bit. Let's get the hood. Is that the? Yep, there you go. Close you. Go ahead and close that real quick. Ah, look at that. It's the plain supercharger too. It's not anything special. Nice, honestly. Oh, over it. Oops. Okay, now let's try and take off 3, 2, and a 1. Okay, not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. Oh. Okay, so crash test ain't horrible. I would definitely choose this over the E2K once again. But my god, I mean, you would definitely survive this. It wasn't that bad of a crash. Let's try and put some performance parts real quick on it to see if that will make it faster or will it break the game. Okay, so let's go with the performance long block and this. Let's already get the stage 3 supercharger. Can you go higher than that? Cannot go higher than that. Well, in that case, that's kind of. That's kind of. I mean, we can change that, I guess, but. Where's. Look at that. That looks really good. Okay. Well, there wasn't really much we could do there, but I mean, better than none, I guess. It does, looks, it doesn't feel like it takes off slower, but that could be just me. But it does sound good though. So let's go ahead and try and take off in 3, 2, 1. Okay, for some reason it takes off very slow, but then it immediately gets up to speed. And blows the motor. Oh, my tire. It's rolling away. It's gone. It's gone. Okay, how bad would you survive in this? Ooh, I don't know, your feet would be kinda crushed. If you was to be sitting in that seat right there. I mean, you'd be very lucky if you was to survive. Yeah, but yeah, it takes off really slow, as if it doesn't want to, but then it gets up immediately after. Oh my god. Yeah, no, that one you're not surviving. Okay, so far. I don't know which one's my favorite so far, but I think I've got one of mine that I really enjoy. Okay, and here's the next drag one. Next Mio drag. This one, I'm hoping it's faster than the other one, the other non-muscle car, but I mean, who knows? This one still has the hood latch. Open up. Oh my, what the? That, I enjoy that one. Oh my god, I love the sound of a good turbo. What is this in the front? I don't think all of this is stock. I don't know why there's 6 of these. There's not even a belt going around it. Okay, let's actually no. Let's go ahead and try doing this without upgrades first, and then we'll do it again with upgrades. Get some boot. 3, 2, 1. Okay, definitely better than the other one. Definitely better. Definitely. Oh my. Yep. For no upgrade, well, not having an upgrade anything, that's not bad. Survival rate. I mean, my camera's on the roof, but you might be able to. I don't. Like, you definitely have got to rev it first before taking off. Yeah, you definitely got to rev it a little bit before taking off to get the speed quickly, or else you're going slow. Like this. Yeah, that is super slow. Yeah, oh my god. For car guys, or car girls, the reason that turbos are so good, that hold on, wait, hold on, I've got to try taking the exhaust off. I have to try it. Let's just go ahead and take that off completely. Whoa. Definitely sounds odd. Not normal. I mean, I will say revving it does sound pretty good. Where is that? I can't really tell where it's at. Oh, there it is. I see it now. Never mind, I see it. Okay, let's try the race exhaust, because... Wait, does this still have the stock? It does. Ooh, hold on, that one... Hold on, now let's try it. Oh, I'm telling you, this might be my favorite one so far. Oh. Might be, I don't know. It's between this one and that first one. That first one was pretty good, but also this one's pretty good too. Man, not bad. Oh my, I still can't get over the sound. This is why I want turbos in my car. And I can't wait to get a map to actually try these on a strip. I would assume they perform way better on a strip than they would just a regular road. Tip you over. Yeah, no, the driver's kissing the steering wheel pretty much. My god, that is insane. I thought you'd go from an inside perspective. Oh, and oh, camera. Oh, that one. I realized the tire is sticking through. Huh. Whatever. 3, 2, 1. Okay, not bad. And oh god, what the? I'm outside of the car. And my tire is rolling on the ground. Yeah, that one was still pretty bad. I think that's it. I'm gonna check to see if there's any more real quick. Okay, I was browsing and then I found this one. I should have expected. Looks really good. Really bouncy. Sounds pretty good too, I like that. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad. Sounds really, really good, but okay, let's see how it does with a little drag strip here, and then the wreck. Okay, somehow bent the back bumper a little bit. Oh my god, that was violent. That's not even a car no more. Oh my god, the worst crash so far. That. Let's see if I can lock that. Nope. Let's see if I can lock it in place. Nope, okay. Come on. You see, the back end is sitting pretty much level, almost. And the front is so gone. Oh, that is insane. Okay, I think my favorite crash so far. If you want me to be honest with you, I think that might be my favorite crash. Anyway, I think it's gonna be it for today's video. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a link to this mod in the description of this video, so that way you can go and check it out. Shout out to Mio, the creator of this mod. If you're in the drag racing, you're gonna love it regardless. Yeah, because if you don't like this, there's something wrong with you. Because this is a great sound. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm gonna choose my favorite car out of the pack so far that I have found. I'm sure there's one or two more that I haven't checked out completely, but it's okay. So let me go pick the favorite one real quick. Okay, so I went ahead and chose this car just because I'm liking the all dark theme, and plus it does sound and look cool going down the road. My god, like it's just a good looking car in general. I love the body style of it. Very not aerodynamic, but it just looks so sleek with that back just curving all the way down to the wing. Just looks so smooth, and then a supercharger just poking out like a menace. And then the inside just looks somewhat clean. Like, it's not stripped completely because it still has the dashboard in it. Very odd dashboard, I would say. But it still looks really good. And then starting it up, even from the inside, it sounds really good. Okay, well, besides it blowing up on too much rev, it's a really good one. But as long as you upgrade the block, you should be fine. Okay, well, that's been it for today's episode. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe on the channel. I'm maybe doing some more mod reviews and stuff in this game in general. But without further ado, I will catch you on the next one. I'm gonna go racing. Bye-bye.